And here's the water when it's just about to come over the standpipe. I may have started this video too soon. There will not be a vacuum created now because the bell pipe or the bell siphon is not over the top of it, but you will be able to see the water. Climb over the edges of the standpipe. Here it comes now. And that's it. Now, as soon as I put this bell pipe on, should start working on the vacuum, and then shortly that'll go to a full discharge. There it is.